your limits. You can feel unstoppable.
Oh, hello. How are you? Welcome to the adventure home, fully completed. So in here, as you can look around, you can see our nice decorated kitchen, wallpaper done by Stuart Modley, plugged, painting done by a bit of Jade, a bit of me, a bit of Caroline here and there. There was only 4 people that helped us, and this is our house that we pay the full amount of rent for and all that, In here's our sitting room, nice big sitting room. Got a nice rug, yellow and grey theme, wallpaper again done by Stuart Mosley. Just remember that. Nice bit of fire, a few stockings, TV, blah blah blah, as you would have in your sitting room. There we got a nice stereo that's playing the tunes. We can give you a little demonstration. In the Christmas spirit we are in. As you come down here, if you haven't seen any of these before, just go up here to see our recent video that we done when the house was completely empty. Radio's too loud. Have to say no copyright. In here is our hall. That we got some nice pictures on the wall, that one isn't straight, now it is. Nice pictures on the wall just to make it look a bit more homely. In here we got 1 out of 2 bathrooms, as you know last time. You know what it looked like before. Painting done by Caroline Maudsley, all done by hand up top, Stuart Maudsley. Theme was by me, but the decoration was also done by Caroline Maudsley. This is her bathroom, that she can poop in peace. In here is the spare bedroom. Wallpaper picked by me, but done by Stuart Maudsley again. Nice grey theme. You got these IKEA wardrobes in here so people can store their lovely, lovely clothes. Got our bicycles here because we don't have anywhere to store them. Oh, we got a side cabinet as well. That wasn't there last time. And yeah, coming in here. Oh, Jed. Jed knocked over all the bikes, no problem.
That was you.
Drunk Jed, that was not me. Drunk Jed. Coming in here is our room. We got a nice little crushed velvet king size bed with a super king mattress so that, Jed doesn't stay on my foot like she always does. She tends to do that. Here we got Jed's uni station for while she's writing up her assignments. And she has to wear the nurse's outfit while doing it because she's studying nursing. That's what you have to do. In here we got 2 of these. In the last room it was only 1. Now they're quite big-ish. They fit all my clothes, but they don't fit all of Jade's clothes. And then that's Jade's section. Slightly more than mine, to say the least.
Same with this one.
Oh God. And same with that one. And then you just have mine. We have our clothes and our t-shirts and stuff. Shoes down at the bottom because I don't have much shoes. And we got these drawers here to store our boxers. And we're not going to show you in there. Boxers, pajamas, my Gaelic stuff, and then pajamas, leggings and knickers and stuff like that. We also got 2 of these side cabinets, to rest our drinks on if we ever get thirsty during the night. To put some tissues on to make it look nice, and a nice little teddy that I had for a while. And then we got Jade's side, which she has the same tissues, and she's got a picture, and she's got a thing that's broken because it doesn't work on my phone. And we got also in here we got her work stuff and stuff like that, and then in here we got papers and cards. I mean, do you want to show them the main bit of that? No, you don't want to show.
It's full, a bit messy.
It's just full, of makeup and stuff, and we got a printer here. So yeah, this is our house fully done. One more room. I almost forgot our ensuite because we got 2 bathrooms. This is our ensuite. You remember what it looked like before. Got doors fixed, which is always a plus. Pink and grey. What's needed to match the bedroom. Yeah. So this has been our lovely little house. If you want to give them a whiz around, with commentary, I'm relaxed. And I'll see ya when I see ya.